Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Study with Service. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you algebraic expressions. So what's an algebraic expression? It's a set of numbers which has a value like 4x square. So this is an algebraic expression. It's a form of arithmetic which consists of a variable and a constant. So here x is the variable and 4 is the constant. So what's a variable? Symbol of a quantity represents that can vary. Constant cannot vary. Constant is a symbol which represents a quantity that cannot vary. Variable is a symbol that represents a quantity which can vary because it's a variable and it's a constant. So that's an algebraic, that's a basic algebraic expressions about constant and variable. So next up is an example. Here we have three rectangles which the area is 12 for each of the rectangles. Here 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. So all the area of these rectangles are 12. Now let's say there is W, L and A, which are the width, length and area. So now we need to find what are all the variables and what are all the constants. So now we have W, L and A. So W is the width, L is the length, A is the area. Now we know area is 12. So that means, as I told you before, a constant is a output which doesn't vary its subject. So that constant is a symbol which represents a quantity that cannot vary. So constant is a symbol which quantity cannot vary. So that means A is the constant here, because we know that all the three triangles have the area 12. So each of them has 12. That means constant cannot change. So area is the constant. And of course W and L are the variables, also known as width and the length. So why W, L are variables is all the rectangles has the area 12, but each of the rectangles are different. First is 1 by 12, second is 2 by 6, third is 3 by 4. So these are the width and the length, and width and the length are changing in each rectangle. So W and L are the variables, A is the constant. So now I'm going to teach you about coefficients. What's coefficients? So coefficients are also known as number coefficients, which you use in algebraic expressions which are terms of only numbers. So this is a coefficient. We can say that as CO or COE in short. So coefficient, right here I have an example 5x square y3z yqz. In this formula phi is the coefficient right here, because phi is the number which is not a square, not a cube, but a number in the formula itself. So if there is a number in the formula itself except for the square and cube, then that is the coefficient of the formula. So that's basically the coefficient about algebraic expressions. Let's revise. First let's take 5x square plus y3 plus z plus 11. Let's take that. So now we have a small algebraic expressions here, and I have addition in each of the form. So we are going to revise what we learned. So first this single digit is called the monomial. Monomial means a set of form with one expression. It's called a monomial. And now two sets 5x square plus yq is called a binomial. which is a set of 2, because you can tell it's a binomial because bi is for bicycle and bicycle has 2 wheels, so it's a binomial. And 5x square plus yq plus z, we take 3, that's of course the trinomial. For the trinomial. And I will teach you this in the next video, but if you take 4 all the digits, it's called a polynomial. I'll teach you about it in the next video, it's so important. So for now, these two right here, 5 and 4 are the coefficients, and z is a variable, and 4 is also a constant. And last and finally, all this combined is an algebraic expressions, AE in short. So that's all in algebraic expressions that you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.